Hey, good morning, traders. How we doing today? Just getting ready for my market open. Caught a trade yesterday. Yesterday was break even. But the thing I love about this setup is that I can really just lean on the steps that we're going through, right? Step one, impulse. Step two, shelf. Step three, price wash itself. Step four, retest the high. Somebody's asking me about that. What is a retest? Retest the high. Bink. Step five, enter. Pop. Now this one took off. Excuse me. This one took off, and I don't even know if I have my. Do I have my entry on it? Yeah. That right here. Where's it at? Can I bring it over here? No, I can't drag it over there. It's weird. Anyhow, it's right there. So how did I manage this? I was at break even as it takes off. Just protect my profit, and it came back. Now, yeah, I left money on the table. Sucks. Doesn't make me happy. So close, so close. But hey, man, that's the business of trading we're in. It's not always going to work out. I don't have the expectation that I'm going to all these are going to work out. When I have that expectation that things are going to work out like that, it's over. And this is really how close you want to be. You know, if you're looking at, if somebody's trying to tell you, okay, here's this, you've got this swing, and then this swing, and then come down here. I see it, I hear it, and I've done it. I've done it. But these guys aren't. How do you got to be here, man? This is where it is, right? This is a contact sport. We are up close looking for the shelf. Is that a shelf? Is that a shelf? This one isn't as sexy as I like, but it works. Because this just doesn't look like a clean shelf, and this wash is weak. I mean, yeah, I took out these guys, but I don't want to see like a wash, clean out this guy, land down here, land right there, take out all this, and then do it. But that would have been a nice one. Wasn't here. It was my trade, and I had a busy day, so I had to go do stuff. Right? That's why we trade, right? So we can have other things to do. So then we have another one here. Do we? What do we have? We have the impulse leg. We have the shelf. Looks like we have a nice wash. And the retest. Right? And the retest. Right? The retest can take out the high, hit the high. The more you do, the more you see. And I'm not saying this is perfect. aiming for perfection on my trading business. I'm aiming to get better at controlling the emotions that I have. That's what I want to do. I want to make sure that I'm not all over the place, buying into sellers, selling into buyers, and just having a really crappy trading day. This one didn't make it either. That's 12:30. Who's going to trade at 12:30? If you're trading at 12:30, this isn't, Now, what sucks is I missed all this move. I mean, there's a really nice sell-off here. That was a really nice sell-off. But do you guys see? Do you see the setup? Okay, so impulse, right? Right? Nope, that's not it. I missed it. I missed it. So this is what I do a lot of. I play a lot, looking for and what I was going to say is that you've got an impulse down. We don't have a strong shelf, and this is really too far away for me. I want to capture that, and I don't know how to. I don't have a setup that protects me. I mean, this one here is tiny. I don't like buying or selling into buyers. All right, these are buyers right in here. Buyers. I don't want to sell into these guys because they pull back. So I just generally don't have. I kind of got that all out of my system a long time ago. I just like up against this thing. Make it. Come down here, poke the bear, come up there, give me a retest, and then get in. That's what I want to see. I want to see something like here, because then I can manage it, right? It still didn't work. Man, it's a tough day. It's a tough day of trading. And look, if you want to risk something, if you want to really put your risk in it, cut it in half. Cut it in half, and you can make these changes as you go based on your ability to read the market. And don't do something because you feel like it. Do something because you actually see something, right? So right now I've got an impulse down. We've broken the low. So now, do we have a shelf anywhere? We have a coil right there. You see that coil? See that there? Again, I'm just too far away. I like to map it out though, because I want to know that there's something over here. And this thing just kind of feels like it's going to keep falling. So I'll just map that out, and then maybe I'll, take this risk. Let's change up some colors here. There's a shelf in here, right? There's a pop. See the pop? Boom, boom. It comes down. So now if I trade this, if I decide this is something I want to sell because I feel that the market's going to keep going down, I have something here. I'm not making it up. Yeah, I'm selling into buyers, but the buyers tried to take it up and they just couldn't do it. So there's a difference of buying here, or actually if you buy it there, or selling here, as they are going to eat into those other guys that are selling, because these guys here that want to sell, they want to get on the momentum of this thing going down. They want this thing to go down in here and catch that, because they're like, oh, it's going down, right? But we're smarter than that. We're going to be more strategic. We're going to take our time and make the market work for us, so we can stay profitable, stay consistent, and it's more fun that way. All right? Good. Talk later.